So good morning, everyone. I am Sumit Rana, General Manager Marketing for Mobil Lubricants India, and I welcome you all to IMTEX 2025. So at IMTEX, we see a big display of tremendous advancement in technology of machines and machine tools, but it is important to understand that the potential of the technology can be unlocked only when it is coupled with right lubrication solutions. So Mobil today here is displaying at IMTEX those new solutions, lubrication solutions, which are important for customers to achieve their ambitions of productivity and profitability. So today, one of the key KPI for manufacturing sector is digitization. And at ExxonMobil, we help customers to meet that objective by launching several digital platforms which can help them to be more productive, to have data at hand. And one of that such initiative is Mobil Connect app. This app is specifically designed for our SME customers. This app enables them to have single stop for ordering the products, for learning about the new events, learning about the new technologies, and also gives them a host of services which can help them to meet their ambition of digitization. So the more lubricants you use, the more you have to dispose. And the less you use, the less you have to dispose. At ExxonMobil, our products are designed to last longer, which means we use less lubricants, we dispose less lubricants. It is a direct correlation to meet the sustainability initiatives of those customers. So we understand the needs of customers are different. A small customer, a aerospace customer, or a large customer, they will have different needs. And our services, our products are designed tailor-made to their requirements. For example, a large customer will have a centralized lubrication system. Small customers will have small machines, but hundreds of machines on the shop floor. So our products are customized, tailor-made to meet their needs so that the machines perform optimally and customers are again able to achieve their desired ambitions. So at IMTEX, we are displaying three key technologies which help customers to meet their ambitions. Number one is services. We not only provide latest lubricants, but also services which are important to take the productivity of machines to new heights. We have a program called MachineX, which is a host of services required to enhance the performance of lubricants, enhance the performance of machines, and it is running around and several customers have taken benefit of those services. So going forward, as we see, India is growing, manufacturing sector is booming, and we are proud partners to enable the growth of manufacturing sector in India. And as the technology keeps evolving in the sector of machines, we are also evolving in terms of technologies related to lubricants. So this is how we are helping customers meeting their own ambitions of productivity and profitability. So a very big thank you to all the customers who visited us during IMTEX 2025. It was a pleasure to see that customers recognized the lubricant solutions offered by us as an enabler to meet their ambitions. Our solutions displayed at IMTEX 2025 help customers to meet their three critical KPIs. Number one, increasing OE. Number two, reducing cost per component. And number three, accelerate digitization. We were also delighted to acknowledge that customers feel our products are required to go with the technology enhancements. So if somebody can cut it later on. Okay. So we are proud to be part of the growth of manufacturing sector in India, and we will continue to support customers to help them meet their ambitions of productivity and profitability. Thank you. So at IMTEX 2025, we are not just displaying new age lubrication solutions, but also a lot of services and digital tools. So customers at IMTEX are here to learn about new technologies, and that's what they saw when they visited Mobil stall. So we received a wonderful response from our customers when they saw Mobil Connect, when they understood how Mobil Connect helps them to stay on the edge of the new technologies. Mobil Connect gives them a platform to order products seamlessly, to learn about the products at one platform, and also to give information about all the events happening all around there. So there was a tremendous response from the customers to know and learn about Mobil Connect app. Thank you.